For a soft pink lip, we're gonna be needing cinnamon. So I have cinnamon in this bowl, and cinnamon is a great remedy to scrub out dead skin cells. So that's actually the more reason why we need cinnamon, to scrub out the dead cells on the lip. Okay, and it needs to be mild. Okay, that's why cinnamon is involved then. And then after, we'll be needing brown sugar. Okay, now brown sugar contains the smaller granite particles, and it is great to scrub out the dead skin cells and the darkness on the lip. It therefore makes the lip pink, healthy, and glowing, and also it softens the skin on the lip. And then we're going to be needing petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline. So this is actually very needful because it creates a glow and a moisture to the skin, and it also therefore leaves the skin very soft. Then we're going to be needing coffee. So you can actually use Nescafe coffee, okay, or you can use the coffee grain and blend it into a powder form, and this would help so much in removing all of the darkness on the lip. It works in removing varicose veins and patches, so it would be ideal. Now we're going to turn in a little amount of the cinnamon into this bowl. Okay, and also we're going to be needing about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So we're going to be turning all of this into it. Then for the Vaseline, we're going to be scooping just a little quantity into it. And then we'll be needing just a little of this Nescafe, okay, because obviously the skin on the lip is actually not big, so we don't need too much of that. So now we're just going to stir it all up. Alright, so to make it better, we're going to put a little quantity of coconut oil to liquidify this, and this is also very important for softening the lip. Alright guys, so to get a softer and pinker lip, you'll be needing this, guys. Okay, you can actually make this and keep it. It's not gonna go bad. Then you use it every day, okay, like every morning, to scrub out the dead skin cells on your lip and to get a pink and soft lip. Alright, so here is the scrub and it looks really good, and here is my lip. You can see I've actually been scrubbing my lip a whole lot, okay? And it's actually been making my lips so super duper pink. But now I'm going to be concentrating on this upper part to make it look like the lower part, okay? But yeah, so now I'm gonna scrub. Falling down. So you have to scrub, but don't scrub too hard, okay? The particles in all of this would enable you to scrub your lip very well. And trust me, if you're aiming to get a lighter lip and a more pink lip, this would help you do that. Well, if you are having blackheads and whiteheads, you can actually use this also to scrub, you know, the blackheads and whiteheads off your face, okay? Or you're scrubbing, don't scrub too hard, guys. Don't scrub too hard. And trust me, this Harmattan season is actually the time for you to scrub your lip. It's getting into my teeth, but it's okay. It's edible. Alright, so after you scrub, then you can rinse, okay? You have to like rinse it almost immediately you're done scrubbing, or if you can hold on for like 30 seconds and then you rinse it, okay? Now, when you're done rinsing, you're going to still be left with oil, okay? That's the result of the coconut oil and the petroleum jelly. Still okay. It's okay to moisturize your lip, but it. Okay, this is how my lip is. Much more better and much more better and much more pinker. So that's it. Alright, so if you do love the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please share the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.